Computer engineering is about designing both the hardware and software that make modern technology possible. Everything from streaming apps, healthcare tech, and even our phones rely on computer engineers to design both the hardware and the system behind the scenes. As a computer engineering student, you learn how to build these systems from the ground up and how to make them smaller, faster, and more powerful. Here are 3 reasons to look at computer engineering.
Jobs for computer hardware engineers is expected to grow by 7% by the year 2034, allowing for 4,700 new jobs each year, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics.
At USF, you'll study VLSI design, embedded systems, circuits, and computer architecture, learning how to bridge code and hardware.
Graduates design chips, build IoT systems, develop robotics hardware, and innovate through semiconductor and systems engineering. Computer engineering is the backbone of the digital world, and at USF, you'll be able to gain hands-on experience by engaging in research labs and creating meaningful connections with professionals that will allow you to invent your future. Declare your future here at USF in computer engineering.